everyone, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook Mapo Tofu, and we're cooking on location in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. First of all, we need tofu. Personally, I choose soft tofu for this dish. You can find soft tofu, firm tofu in the grocery store, but you can see the soft is right in here. Next one, we have the ground beef, ground pork, ground turkey, any type of little ground meat is fine because we just want to give a little bit flavor on top of the tofu. And seasoning part, we have our old friend soy sauce, garlic salt, and chicken bouillon. Next, the most important seasoning we have here is this Mapo Tofu sauce. You can find the seasoning especially for Mapo Tofu in Asian grocery store. If you can't find it, using hot pot seasoning is fine too, because it tastes basically the same. If you are interested in the Asian grocery stores, we have a special episode for that. You can click the link here and you can find many more stuff in Asian grocery store. Now let's cut the tofu. Open this package and be careful, there will be some water in it. And take the tofu out, put on your hand. And I like smaller cubes, so I will cut it in the middle here to make it into half. And then I will cut this way, be careful your hand. And another one. The next one, cut into small cubes like this. And we're done. And now let's start cooking. Turn on the stove, a little bit olive oil, and wait till it's hot. First, let's put the ground beef in it. And kind of make it into little tiny pieces. Next, let's put some Mapo Tofu seasoning in it. Just a little bit. Now let's put the tofu in it. Next, let's add some water and let it boil. Let's add some chicken bouillon in it, give it some more flavor. And also, tiny little bit garlic salt because the seasoning is already spicy and salty. Let's stir it evenly. If you have a deeper pot at home, you're using that one, so water can actually cover it to make it cook better. Or if you have a lid, put on top of it and the flavor will stay inside. Now let's let it cook. As you can see, I already changed it to a smaller pot because this way the soup will cover it and it will cook evenly. It will give it more flavor. As you stir it, don't be so aggressive because the tofu is very soft, and then if you break it, it won't taste that good or look that good anymore. Now we can see that the juice is almost gone. It's time to take it out. Okay, here's today's dish, Mapo Tofu. Let's welcome today's special guest taster, Matt, to have a try. Matt? How is it?
That's really good. Got good flavor behind it too. It's a really good dish.
Okay, so this is today's dish, Mapo Tofu. You can get the ingredients from the Asian grocery stores. If you want to learn more about this dish or the Asian grocery stores, you can like and subscribe our channel. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.